In this quick Viber tutorial, I'll show you the best Viber privacy settings to help keep your account and chats more secure. Let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Now tap the More tab in the bottom right corner, then select Settings. Next, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. To hide when you're active, turn off Share Online status. You can also disable Send Seen status if you don't want others to know when you've read their messages. Next, turn off the option that allows people who aren't in your contacts to see your profile photo. This adds an extra layer of privacy to your account. For even better security, tap two-step verification and set up a PIN along with your recovery email. This helps protect your Viber account from unauthorized access. And that's it. Now you know the best Viber privacy settings to keep your account and conversations safe. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick Viber tips and privacy tutorials.